guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Simplyjoy and Lifestyle. So guys, today I received a pack from, I think I ordered this from Amazon. So we're going to be unboxing this pack here today. So we're going to find out what I ordered. So I have my scissors here, case, and then we just run it down. So we're going to see what we ordered. Drum roll, please! This is what I bought. Who can guess the name?
Coffee grinder.
This, it's a coffee grinder of dry seeds grinder. So you can see corn grain cereal meal. You can use it for dry corn. You can also use it for Egusi seeds or melon seeds. You can use it for ogbono, or the African family that loves to eat ogbono. Last time I bought grinded ogbono from African shop. My God, I was happy. I found grinded ogbono. Guys, you know what? When I tried to make this ogbono, it failed. Ogbono soup turned Egusi soup. Nobody really missed in the ogbono. Fam, I was disappointed. After my disappointment, this grinder, and actually I found papier online, and I think this one came from Germany. So this actually came from Germany, and that's how it looks, guys. It's looking good. I remember when I was young in Africa, then my mommy, she used to use this to grind her ogbono soup because she knows my best soup then was ogbono soup. I really can't do without ogbono and apple. Guys, when I saw this on Amazon, I was so happy. I said, I'm not going to miss this opportunity. I'm going to buy it, and no more grinded ogbono from African shop. So I'll be buying the seeds, ogbono seeds, melon seeds, and I will grind it. Guys, let's unpack this beautiful package I received. So this one, it came like this, as you can see from the picture on the box. And then this one, oh my God, it's really beautiful. I think mommies, you can always go and order this. So we'll have to try and assemble this beauty together. I'm going to try to assemble it. It's came with the nuts and screws. And then these other parts. I remember this from Africa, guys. I can't believe I have it here in Belgium. So excited. So now I think this one is gonna be like this. I'm gonna fix this one this way. The hand will come from the picture. How would this one work? I'm gonna try to assemble this grinder, cereals grinder, multi grinder, dry seed grinder. So as you can see here, I'll be just using it. Yeah, guys, so I had to change the table I had before because the side of the other table was too big to fix it here. So guys, I attached it like this. You can see I already fixed this side. I screwed this side, so the handle looks like this. So now we have to fix the remaining parts and just take it away. Make sure that this one to empty. Get this part into this place, and then you put the nut through and you screw it. And you do this. So I think it is very easy. You don't have the space to complete your grinding. So when I grind, it goes like this. You can tighten or loose. This will fit to your taste. You do so. You can also use this one to hold. See, guys, you see it's harder now. I loosen it a bit, so it can run freely. So I think that's how it works. And then the cup, you added more grains, more corns, as you can see in the picture. It looks exactly like this. I'm happy with this. I don't have to stress anymore to grind my ogbono seeds, my egusi seeds, of my coffee seeds. So I'm really happy. Okay, guys, we have been able to assemble this machine. You can see how it works. It's very stable, it's very sturdy, so you can now perfectly grind wherever you want. So from the specification here on the box, as you can see, specifications, they're trying to explain where you can actually use this machine to grind. So what I wrote here is herb seeds, any sort of dry herb seeds, cinnamon, poppy, peppers, egusi seeds. I bought it mainly for egusi seeds. I bought it for ubon seeds, or coffee bone of the dry pepper. My God, it makes your life very easy. It saves you energy costs. You don't have to pay for electric bills to use your machine to grind your egusi. Imagine when you have to use electric, so you have to be cost effective. This thing didn't cost much. So guys, I encourage you, mamas and papas who love to eat Nigerian food, to go for it. Thank you. So next time I'll be showing you guys a video. I use this product to grind my oat. So stay tuned to this channel, subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.